Let's learn how to change the slide to answer to accept or decline for an iPhone call. If you're annoyed that you have to slide to answer and don't know how to change it, you don't need to worry anymore. After watching this video, you'll know how to do it. As you may have noticed, there are two options for answering calls: sliding your finger and having the accept or decline option. The slide to answer option will only appear when your phone is locked and someone calls you. To answer, you just need to slide the green receiver to the right. Once you do that, you have successfully answered the call. However, you might have noticed that there is no option to decline the call. But now, I will show you a trick on how to do it. To decline a call, you need to press the power button twice. You can also press the volume up or down button to mute the ringtone. The second option, having the accept and decline buttons, will only appear when the phone is unlocked, meaning when someone calls you and your phone is already unlocked with a passcode, Face ID, or Touch ID. To answer, you need to tap the green option, and to decline, you tap the red option. This option is much better because it's easier to choose whether you want to answer or not. Unfortunately, Apple does not allow you to choose which screen appears when you get a call. However, I have shown you two tricks for the slide to answer screen: how to decline a call by pressing the power button twice, and how to mute the ringtone by pressing the volume up or down button. I hope these tricks have helped you. Of course, if Apple ever allows you to choose which screen you prefer, you don't need to worry, as I will surely make a tutorial if that option becomes available. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.